Hello my tech army, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, this video is complete tutorial about newspaper theme. So if you're a beginner and you want to build beautiful, structured and optimized website for your business or for your blog, this video is for you. Please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. First of all, we have to install WordPress as this is our basic and starting. If you don't know how to install WordPress on your hosting, you can check out my other video. But if you not yet have hosting or domain, you can check link in description. You will get nice discount on hosting. So here we already installed our WordPress. We will go to setting first and click on permalinks. Make sure you have set your permalinks to post name. Scroll down and save changes. Next step, we have to upload our newspaper theme file by visiting appearance, theme, add new theme, and you have to upload zip file of your theme and click install now. After you upload your theme, make sure you visit here in the after you install and activate your newspaper theme, you have to refresh your website and you will see new option here, newspaper. You have to click on welcome. So here, the first step will be, it will ask you to install tag-div plugins. You have to click here to install all the plugins. Make sure you have a valid license from Market for your newspaper theme. After you install the plugins, you will see option here, plugins. You can check here by visiting here. You will have multiple choices for the plugins. Some of them are required, some of them are optional. So here we required some plugins like tag div composer. Here we have a tag div composer and tag div cloud library. Both of plugins are required here. Then you have tag div social counter for social media and tag div newsletter if you want to enable newsletter on your website. Tag div opt-in builder, which is nice option, operate leads and convert visitor to subscriptions. You can enable subscriptions on your website. Then we have a tag div shop. Tag div shop is required if you decide or if you want to build e-commerce website, you wanna activate WooCommerce on newspaper theme, then you can go with tag div shop. Tag div mobile phone, you require this plugin if you wanna enable separate mobile theme on newspaper. For the mobile theme, you can check out my other video of newspaper playlist. You will find all the videos there. Then we have an official AMP for WordPress. This will speed up your mobile theme. Actually, tag div mobile theme and official AMP comes together if you wanna speed up your mobile phone theme. Tag div standard pack, build your website fast and without code, perfect for beginners. You can install the standard pack and revolution slider for the sliders. Okay, so now we will go to option pre-build website. On the pre-built website, I already have here default demo content, which I already installed on my website. Let me show you my website now. As you can see, I have already the default layout on my website. So later on, I will also teach you how to make customization and changes on the home page as well. You have a lot more options like black version of the theme if you want. So this will be the black version of your theme, or you can call it the dark version. If you want to enable your website into dark mode, you can choose this template. You have a lot more options like if you want to build a business website or coaching like a job hunt. In next videos we will go to other business websites with the newspaper theme. So keep follow, subscribe my channel, so next video you will get notified. Once I upload all the videos, you will be notified time to time. So here we have a News Hub Pro, which is I think a nice option you can go with if you want to build a news website. Then you can choose this one, News Hub Pro. If you want to build a gaming, you can go with Gaming Pro. Yeah, this is News Hub. I like it, this one. Then we have a lot more options. Okay, now let's go to system status, which is I think maybe in your website has some different values, but one thing is important here. Maximum exclusion time should be 360 is okay. If you have if you see yellow something here, you have to increase these values in your hosting. And make sure you have here WP memory. Make sure you set this to 256 gigabyte. Okay. Okay, then we have a theme panel section. In the theme panel section, we have a header, footer, ads, template setting, category, everything we will go through one by one. After we publish, we will click tag div composer right away. So we will build our website with tag div composer. For now, this is our blank section. So we have no any content on our home page. We are seeing our header and footer. Header and footer we also can customize by clicking hover your mouse and click to little plus with a mouse. Once you click enter with the mouse, you will see left side all the options for the logo. You wanna disable H1 on logo, disable display columns or row, make inline. You can change your setting here. For the downside, you have a nice footer. Even you can add more stuff onto the footer section. So first we will go to the home page and add some new widgets on the home page. Start building our home page. So for that we will click here, add. You will go to this option on the left side, upper side here. Click add button. Then we have a row, inner row, empty space. Okay, a lot more options, flex boxes or big grid. Okay, so let me drag this big grid flex to my home page here. Okay, so this is our big grid. We have a more option like big grid, flex 3, flex 4, flex 5. If I delete this one, any section you want to delete, after drag here on the home page, you will see small delete element icon. Okay, then click again, add, and you can try out other flex and the section big grid shortcodes. Okay, like that, and click save. Make sure you click save option right away. So because sometime if you have an issue with your internet or computer, your changes will be saved and you can resume your work customization from the. Okay, then we have downside extended shortcode, which can help us if you wanna add like a add box, archive list, author box, and we have a exchange flickr. Okay, let's scroll down later. And first we will find what else we can display to the down section. What options we have. First, if you have a news or blog website, because with the newspaper nowadays you will able to build other business niche websites also. So first you have to decide the layout. You wanna go with the layout, how your this website structure should be, and what elements you want on your home page. You have to make clear first. Then your work is just to choose all these to use all these elements. If you have an e-commerce website or business website, you will go to multi-purpose shortcode, and that means these shortcodes or elements you can use to build business websites. For example, here it is fancy text with image. Let me drag this one. Example, this one. As you can see, we use this mostly showing the image of e-commerce website and product image here. But you can change this one. If you want to build a website for business, you can make the structure according to your business. Just you have to right click, and here left side all the option will be open. Fancy, from the fancy you can change digital marketing, because as I already told you, you can build any type of website with newspaper. That's possible. Newspaper is not only for blog or newspaper. Okay, then we have a description. You can change this description. In the button text, you can change this button text. Contact us. In the image, scroll down to the image, remove all old image and provide your new image here. Okay, let me choose any image. And then you have an option here downside for the layout and flip content. If you wanna flip this content to the right side like that, and you can horizontal align this to the middle. This is very easy. Okay, now let's check out some other stuff. We have a pricing table for if you have an e-commerce website or sorry a business website and you wanna offer different pricing for your services. You can drag this pricing label here like that. Then you can make different rows. Okay, you can just click on row and you can make 3 rows like that. If you don't want any element, just simply delete that one. Okay, now let's check out. We have an inline text. If you wanna display only the text, you can use this inline text on your home page. If you wanna display only the text somewhere, if you have an e-commerce website, you can use some e-commerce elements like menu product. Okay, you can drag this one and you can start customize this on the back end in WooCommerce product, and this will be displayed right away there on your home page. Let me delete all the elements. We have a number counters. Let me check number counters like that. Okay, so now let's focus on our newspaper or blog sections. We have a content form. If you want to display form, if you want to display the video here next to section, you can use this video embed. You will able to embed any type of video here. Just you have to provide the URL downside here, video setting, and the video will be start displaying with full width. Okay, then we have, let's go to blog shortcode, flex block 1. Okay, like that. Okay, for example, you want to change something here in the flex box, or you want to provide the title, and you want to example, you want to make it category wise, and you want to disable display some category like a cricket, like in the sport, within the sport you want to display cricket upper side, downside you want to display hockey. You can just enter the custom title here. After you drag this flex, this is the flex block number 1. Just in the custom title, see cricket. In the custom title, provide the title. This will display upper side here. You can categorize your home page with the help of these flex blocks. Then you have an option to filter this one. What type of post you want to display? Then you can click on filter. In the category filter, you can choose that particular category. I mean cricket category if you have. So I always recommend, please create all the category first before you start customizing or your home page. Make sure you have ready all the categories. You have to choose your category in the filter section. In the layout section, you can choose its layout or color. In the layout, you can change the layout like you wanna go with the module per row 3 or 4. If you wanna display 4 post, you can go with module per row 2, 3. You can choose. Okay. If you wanna gap between the row post, if you wanna extend the gap, example, let me enter 70 here, and there will be gap, more gap here. Keep it 40 or 50. That's all. Okay. We have a border style solid or dot. You can make it dots, the border. Okay, like that. Hover effect. Even you can enable the hover effect. Click on shadow. If I go to, it will be something like shadow. Move up and shadow. You can it will little move up with the mouse. Then we have an image size. Keep it medium. That's okay. Then if you wanna show button, bookmark button, you can display the bookmark button. If you so your visitors will able to bookmark that particular post. Okay. Then the button size, you can increase or decrease the size of this bookmark button. You also can choose color for the icon. Right now it's white. You can choose to any other color like that, like red. Okay, let's go to style section where you can change the font and the brightness, anything you can change, even the color. You can choose module background. If you want to make this particular block dark, just go to colors, module background. Okay, you can make it little dark like that. Okay, little gray looks good. If you want to clear all, click on clear. It will be cleared to default. Then you have a color for article title. If you want to change this title color, just go to article title color, change the color you want to change. Then we have a underline size, category background. Here the category background sport. In the category background, let me select this color, blue color. So you can see here we have a blue color in it. You can see my mouse, it's red now. You can choose different color. Okay, if anything you want to disable, for example here is a showing comments 0, you want to disable these things, just go to, let me check this one. Yeah, go to general, scroll down. I think in the layout. Yeah, in the layout. In the layout, keep scroll down to the options. For example, you want to disable the comments or category tag here. This one, sports. Go to category tag and you will see option show category. You can hide it. The category will be hide. It not show here on the home page. Same to this comment section. Go to show author. Just disable. The author, the website name will not be visible here. Only the title, description and the date. Even you can hide the date also. Down, little down here, date and comment. Both are show. You can hide both like that. So we have a simple section. Show review stars. You can hide this one. Even you can make the limit of the description, how much the description should visible here, like how many characters. Okay, click save right away. Okay, now let's go to add section to add some other stuff. We have a flex box number 2. You can check this one, flex block number 2. Yeah, something look like this. We can delete this one, looks not good. You can check out flex box X. Yeah, this is very similar to one. Even you can duplicate your same column. Then you have to go to upper side little the quick bar and you will see the copy, little copy, duplicate element. Click on that. It will be duplicate to the down section. So you don't need to make hide all these things again and again. Just keep change the category. Click on that. Change the first title here in the general. And important is filter. Choose the category of that particular downside. What title you are going to provide next downside. Okay, definitely upper side we choose cricket, downside we choose hockey, like that. You can make different sections. So let's check out this one, the big grid flex 9. Yeah, this looks nice. So if you wanna display the sidebar somewhere, let me also show you. Click add, scroll up to the row or empty space, make it column, layout. Let me delete this one. Okay, let me first save this one. Let me click on add again. Okay, scroll down. You can search for side. Yeah, visit sidebar. We need this one. Visit sidebar. Just drag this one. Because in next section, we will display visit sidebar. For the sidebar, you have to choose sidebar, newspaper default. You can go with this one. But here, I wanna make it. Go to elements, column, row, divider. Yeah, I wanna make this layout 2 by 3. Okay, so we have here the the space for the sidebar. Okay, let me delete downside. Okay, so now this section is looking not good. You can make it, just click here and make it in the filter layout. Yeah, in the layout, choose the 2 module per row. Only 2 will be enough. Yeah, 2. And post should be, you can set to in the general 4. Okay, 4. Yeah, perfect. Now in the empty column, we will go again to add, search for again sidebar, drag it here. Okay, so now what setting we need? Just to go to sidebar, this little icon again, and enable this one from here, and select the newspaper default sidebar. We will customize it later on. Okay, if I check my website now, it should have yeah, sidebar, but not sidebar. You don't need to worry, we will make it. Go to customize in the quick panel, or you can go to appearance, customize. So let me go to first customize. In the customize section, we have a visit. In the visit, we don't have any block, so that's why you can go directly here, appearance and visit, in the visit section. Okay, that's all. Okay, to build your sidebar, as you can see, we choose their newspaper default. Yeah, here, newspaper default here. As you can see, sidebar, select newspaper default. Now we have to add the stuff here. If I click on inactive visit, we have a lot of things. If you wanna display recent comment or archive categories, you can drag these all. or you wanna choose the widget, you have to click plus icon and search for the element you wanna display. For example, you wanna display the comment first, or the social media, or the category post. Example, if I scroll down, yeah, search, you will see here tag div elements, tag div ad box, author box, exchange. Just to drag it here. Okay, so this will be a exchange, this will display on your website. Okay, if I update here and refresh here, this will be display here. Okay, let me check this one. Let me refresh my home page. Scroll down. Yeah, we have a visit sidebar. Okay, let me now click view. Yeah, this not showing. Maybe we not have any setting or API key for the exchange. Let's add other. Or you can search for tag tag. You will see all the tag div components. Example, I wanna show the weather or social counter. Let's display social counter. Okay, click update. Now let's check. Okay, let's refresh again. Yeah, here it is. We have now sidebar social counter. Social counter, actually we have to make this enable in the theme setting. For that we have to go to newspaper theme panel. In the theme panel, scroll down to the options, social and API key, and go to social share. You have to choose here and provide the API keys. Social login. You have all the options here you want to enable. Okay. You must have enable or provide API key according what option you want to enable. Make sure you have a provide here. So we will also go one by one here. Let me finish the visit first. So what visit we will display? So we have a done social counter. Social counter not showing. Let me show you here. Also the reason. Scroll down to Facebook ID. You have to provide Facebook ID. Example, if I even enter that hash or hash, it will be start showing. If I now refresh, make sure you provide the right key here. Okay, then it will be display. Let me go again, browse all. Now this time I wanna display the popular categories. Just to drag popular categories here. Scroll down. Okay, click update. Let me check, refresh. Sometimes it takes time to enable the widget. You can check text with the title if you wanna enable write something text here. In the sidebar you can use that one. You can use author box, ad box if you wanna display the ad here somewhere here. You can use tag div ad box. Just to drag it here and scroll down to the end. You can select sidebar here. Okay, select update. Now the ad will be start showing to the sidebar here. Sometimes it take time to update. Okay, example, after the sidebar you want to add some more stuff, click add, go to scroll down, yeah, category list and tag list, drag this one under the sidebar section. Let me delete this one. Instead of sidebar you can drag under the extended code, you can drag these things, archive list, that's all. You can drag it one by one if you want, because a sidebar, if you go with sidebar you can show together all the things, like you add here one section, one element, example here, and keep add next one, you can add. Okay, you can add here, or you can do simple thing here. Let me delete this one. You can choose here this one, legacy widget. In the legacy widget, then choose what stuff you want to display, social counter, text with. This will be easy for you for the beginners. Example of navigation menu, that's all. And keep add. I wanna this again legacy widget. Select now popular categories. Okay, now we have a 2. Let me update. Now let me refresh. This is actually if you wanna display together all the things. Or you can use drag one by one from the extended shortcode. Example, you want to display ad, drag this ad box under the here, under the archive list. Make sure you provide the right spot key, click on that. And for the ads, make sure you provide the spot key. You can provide spot key by selecting here use add spot form. How you can display or customize these ad slots? For that you have to go to theme panel, go to ads. In the ads you will see all type of ad slots like header, extend this one, provide header code here. Sidebar, for example, you want to display ad in the sidebar, provide the AdSense code and click save changes. One by one you can customize, you can set your, if you want to display your ad within the articles, then you have to provide code here in the inline ad, bottom ad. Okay, even you can use custom ad code. You can use the ad spot later on here. Let me show you. Yeah, here you will see option add content, use ad spot form. You have to select then here after you provide all the codes in the theme settings, then you can select here. Example, this is sidebar, so there we choose sidebar and provide the code. Here we select sidebar. You can see here now the ad box. Okay, then click again add, scroll down to the again option extended shortcode. Now you want to display about column text, Flickr, image box, Instagram, a lot options you have, like comment, recent comment. Okay, for because we not have any recent comment. Just let me check. Yeah, that's why it's not showing. Okay, this way you can build the sidebar and this area. Downside, you can start again, comes in again providing the complete flex blocks. Just make your sidebar little longer. You provide one or two stuff, or one block, two block, three block, that's all, or one or two block. Keep it one or two block. Then you can choose only two posts here, this area. Click select here, go to scroll down to limit post number, choose two. So this will only, so you can see this is very front in each other. So downside, we can again properly drag another flex. Now we will scroll down for the, we can choose, let's go with this one. Yeah, this one, big grid flex 6. Okay, this time we make it, click on the row, go to layout, make it one by one like that. Let me delete this one, delete this one. But if you want to keep the sidebar, just save your work, click save, that will be saved. Okay, so this is for the custom homepage. Now if you wanna import the pre-built design and you wanna customize those, I will also show you that one. For that we will go to again newspaper pre-built website, where you will choose any one demo content you wanna import. Okay, after you select, click install. Only choose the include content option if you have a fresh website, if you not have already content, if you already have a post, or you are using last time any other theme and now you want to switch to newspaper, you don't need to go with include content. This will mix up the demo content. I will only recommend if you are beginner. If first time you're building a website, blog website or news website with newspaper, and you have no idea about how your blogs going to display, and what this will do, this will provide you some demo post. So demo post will give you the structure how your website will look like. Then you can simply customize that one. Later on when you start posting the post, those all the post will be look like this, like a demo. Then you can delete the demo post by visiting post, all post. You can check first 10 or 15 post will be demo post. You will see all the post which you did not write, just to delete all those. Those comes with the demo content. Then keep only your own post. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to newspaper theme settings. We will go to theme panel. You have to visit newspaper from the WordPress dashboard and scroll down to theme panel, and then you have a theme setting panel where you can customize or do setting for your website. So here first we have header. You can choose any header, or you can use set a cloud library header. You have to go to cloud library to check what header option you have available. You can check this option by clicking cloud library. Next we have a logo and favicon, where we can upload our logo file. Make sure you have a logo 272 by 90 pixel, so that will be perfect size for your website. Then we have option retina logo and favicon. If you not have website, if you not have yet a logo file, you can provide your website name here in the logo title attribute and logo alt attribute. Alt attribute for logo, this is alternative text. That means if your logo maybe logo or image file not showing because sometimes the connection is slow, then this name will be shown instead of the logo. Because sometimes you see the picture broken of logo, then this will be shown instead of logo. Then we have a same in the title attribute. As you can see here, we have a text logo. If you not have logo, you can go with the text. This text will show on your website. Okay, then you have a tagline. You will have to provide the tagline for your business. If you wanna enable logo H1 on pages, if you wanna make your logo as H1, you have to simply enable this option. Then we have a mobile header. Let me also show you. So this is our text. This is not a logo. Okay, if we have a logo, then it show logo. If you not have logo, you can provide the website in the text logo website name that will show here. If I open my website into the mobile section, I will click on edit. Okay, then I will open my website as mobile view. Okay, then you have a setting for the mobile. Show mobile menu, show menu search for the mobile units. Okay, let me open my mobile. Okay, here. So if you want to enable this search option, then you have to enable show mobile search. This is the mobile search. And the left side, this is the menu section. Show menu mobile. So show mobile menu. Okay, this will show menu. Okay, I have to delete this menu section downside, so I will keep one menu here. Okay, and click save. Then we have a sign in or join option. If you enable this option, if you want to build a membership website or sign in, where sign in is important, if you have any business type of your visitors should have to sign in on your website before they access the content, then you have to enable sign in option. Let me save setting here. After you enable this option, let me show you. This will display on your header sign in option. If I edit my header, okay, so here you can enable the sign in option. Here you can just drag, click on add, scroll down to the in the header section, header shortcode, you will see header shortcode. Just you have to drag this option, header login, anywhere where you want to display. Yeah, this one, like that. I will recommend keep it downside here. Okay, like that. You can make it left side. Okay, here. This way you can display the sign in option. And then you have a other shortcode, header shortcode. For example, you want to display category list, header date, then you have to bring that element to the header. So this is now showing the date here nearby the logo section. Okay, you also can make changes by clicking here into the date. You can make it center, you can change the font, you can make it aligned to right, you can change the font of italic. Okay, like that. If any element you wanna delete, just scroll your mouse and you will see small delete icon. Okay, let's click on add header live search, header login, header date, header weather. You can choose any element, just you have to drag into the header section. Okay, if you not require sign in option, you can disable this one. iOS booklet, you can provide image for the bookmark bookmarklet, image 76 by 76 pixel. You can check the size of each image. The bookmarklets work on iOS and Android. When a user adds your site to the home screen, like if they save your website, how your website image look like, if they share anywhere your website link, they will see such images about your business. Then we have a footer section. Footer section already selected here, default pro. Let me show you the header section, footer section. Okay, scroll down, we have a footer section. Okay, any section you want to add it, just bring your mouse, right click with the mouse, and left side you will find the option to change the setting. Then let's click on cloud library. This cloud library actually will help you if you want to create another header, another footer template, homepage template, page template. You can make your custom header. Okay, how to edit the header, footer, homepage settings. If you want to make changes to the any option in the theme setting, if you click on header, then you have an option also click on cloud library. So this will bring you to the templates you have already. You have to simply just scroll to the template and you have an option edit with TD Composer. Click on that. Now you have an option to change in header anything in the header. Okay, if I click the section, you can make 4 sections, 5 sections according your needs. Okay, what you want to display in those sections, you can make changes like empty inner column, empty inner column. So these are 4 because we select layout for the 4. You can go with the 3. Okay, okay, now we have 3 layout, we select 3 layout. So that means in this empty inner section you can display the date, other side you can display the stuff you want. Just click on add element. I will go to live search. The live search I want to display here nearby the logo. Header live search, I will drag it to the empty inner column. If they click here, they will able to live search on your website, but you can make it to the right side, block to right. Okay, like that. You have an option here. When you click on this box with the mouse, you have a setting here. Then go to search icon option and you will find the setting align block to right. Enable this one. This will be aligned to the right side. Okay, let's add some more stuff. Example, header weather. Header weather, I want to display this inner column. So this now showing the header weather. Okay, downside the search button, you can change this one. You can remove this search button because we already have in the header. So all these sections are equal. Okay, if you want to add one top bar or any other section, let me also show you. Okay, I want to add upper side. I will go to add element. I will just drag this option row upper side because I want to add one more row. Then I will click on that, go to general, layout. In the layout, CSS. Okay, now if you want to add here in the top column, just drag the elements you want to enable. Example, let me scroll down. For example, you wanna add, you wanna display exchange rate. You have an option in extended shortcode. For example, you want to display ad here. You have to search ad box, bring it to the section we just add. So here now it will show the ad here, but make sure you have provide the ad code into your setting, theme setting, downside to the ads, then header ad, provide the right code. Okay. Okay, so now we have a id, so I wanna delete this one. So we have still empty column, we can add more stuff. Like you wanna add pages, you wanna display pages here somewhere. I will go to or search for page, yeah, page title, yeah. Okay, or you wanna display something, make it h4 or keep it h1, or you can reduce the size, okay, from the title text section. You can make it thin if you want, you can make it medium. You have option for the title color. Okay, anything you can drag it here. That's what I mean. If I go to the header login, you wanna enable header login upper side, drag header login. So here now we have a header login. We wanna make it right side. Click on that and horizontal align to the this side. Okay, align to right option. Yeah, here it is, upper side. Okay, then you can add more stuff. Add header date, bring it to again there. This side we have a date, this side we have a header login. Okay, this is easy. Click save changes. Make sure you click save changes. Same here, footer templates. You can just scroll your mouse and you will see edit with TD Composer. You can even make page template if you want. Home page template you can change, 404, single template, author template, category. You can change anything in the cloud templates. Okay, let's go to next setting, ads. In the ad section, I already explained, make sure you have a valid code from Google AdSense, and then you have to go one by one option. If you wanna enable the ad for your articles, if I open any article on my website, let me show you. Okay, if I open this article, so I wanna display the ad somewhere in the starting, middle, and downside. So what I do, I will go to theme setting, ad section, and I will find article top ad, article inline, article bottom, three sections for the articles. Okay, so we have also custom ad option. Example, what that mean, you wanna display ad somewhere in the sidebar or anywhere on the website. If I edit my now I'm going to edit my post template here. I click on edit upper side. So every time you want to display ad, example here, most popular, I want to display ad the upper side of most popular. I will go to add element and search for ad, ad or ad, sorry for that, ad, and you have to find this ad box, or you can find into extended shortcode. Ad box, just drop it upper side, drag it, and now click on select spot ID, click again. Here is the option to select use ad spot form, and you will see here header, sidebar, same option. Custom ad you can use here, custom ad one. That's why you have to fill up code everywhere in the custom. Maybe you can use custom add 2 in the downside. You need to use custom add 3 somewhere. That's the meaning. Okay, like model, video pop-up, background click add, a lot of options you have. Let's go to theme setting, smart sidebar. If you wanna enable smart sidebar, from here you can enable or disable the smart sidebar on all template. Okay, that means if you visit any page anywhere, the smart sidebar will be stay there. It will auto resize and scroll with the content. For example, if I scroll my post, it stay here, still stay. It not go with the my post. If I scroll with the mouse, it stay here. This is called smart. If you wanna enable or disable. If you plan to use Google AdSense in the sidebar, don't enable this feature. Yeah, if you decide to enable or display ad somewhere, just off this option. Okay, Google policy does not allow placing ad in the floating box. Yeah, that's true. So Google will not allow place your ad into floating box, like this become a box, floating box. It stay. Okay, it always be visible, so Google not allow this. Make sure your page and sidebar scrollable. Then we have a two top button here, this one downside. You can see my mouse. This is the back to top button. Show on mobile. If you want to show this little icon here, yeah, this one, the blue one, this is, if they click here, they will immediately go to the top section. You can enable or disable for the mobile. Image loading animation, I will recommend use this option. Use loading animation image. This will speed up your website. I personally use this one. Then you have a 404 template option. You can choose same here in the cloud library if you wanna, or you can go to directly cloud templates option. Check all the templates are here if you wanna change any template. If not, you can leave all these options. All these options just to select the template. If you build another template, then that will be visible here to select. Okay, if you have a single, then you can leave it. Category option, same. If you have a multiple category here in the, here in the cloud templates, you will see the category templates. We only have one. Okay, then we don't need it to select. If you have a multiple, then you need to select here. You can leave this option categories. Same post setting, general post setting. Actually, in the post setting, you have a something you wanna enable the show post views. Like, here it is. We have a title, right? Then we have how many people view our post and comments, share button. Okay, you wanna enable or disable these things, go to post setting, and you have an option like show post view. You can disable or enable review system. If you wanna enable review system, if you scroll down, you will see the review section. Okay, or comment here. You can enable or disable. Default post template site wide. If you wanna change the style of your post. Single post template now selected. Okay, you can go with the default one. Ajax view count, you can enable this option. This will count how many people view your page or post. Video setting, if you wanna enable playing the video, if you have a video content in and you are using newspaper theme, this option useful for you. This will lazy load the video automatic on the mobile phone. It will optimize the videos for the mobile units and also for the desktop. Enable playing only one player, enable pause, hidden player, a lot options for the video section. Then we have a block setting. Let me show you the block, meaning of the block. If I open my website front page, so this is a block, the sport, and a sport little box has blue color, and there is a long, the line, long line. Okay, this is called block header templates. Yeah, sorry, this is I think for the header section. Yeah, you can override the template on each. Yeah, this is for the each block. If I choose any other like that, block header 3, save setting. If I check now, if what changes we have, refresh, not yet. This header template will be applied to whole site. The theme will also try to adjust the default widget to look into same style and block template. Yeah, here it is. If I scroll up here, this is the first block. We call it header block. If you wanna disable the like a sport, this is the box here. You wanna disable here, enable here, the style you can enable. If you wanna enable for the categories, if you go to category tag, you can enable the slider module, mega menu module. Like instead of this box, you will see to choose category, other multiple categories here. Okay, this will allow them to choose within the sport. They have a cricket, hockey, those will be show here. Okay, to adjust the block, you can adjust any block. We have a background actually for your website. In this template homepage, we not have background. Here it is in the footer is. Okay, if you want to enable the background, colorful background on your website, you can enable the background from the theme background option in background section. If I upload any image here, save setting, this will show into your website. If I open any post, that will show in the website. It takes some time. Okay, then we have aspects. We have a translation. If you want to enable translation, if you have a translation for your blog or news, you can choose the language and load translation if you want to translate your website. The theme has available translation for 90 language, which is nice thing. Okay, and you want to translate your content, you can translate. Translations option downside, you can provide your own language here. You can search from the Google Translate, and then those texts you can provide here. Okay, but for example, telephone number or email, what we call email in other language like Hindi, Punjabi, other language, you can find the language in the Google Translate. Then you have to paste here what we call email in other language. Depends on the language you choose. Then we have a theme color. If you want to change theme color for your website, you can go to general theme color option and choose the color. If you have blue, because right now if I go to my website, most of blue color is showing. Let me show you how. If I go to home page and you see blue color here, if I hover mouse here, downside blue color also, and back to top button also blue color. Okay, and if I scroll my hover my mouse to the post title, and it's also blue color. You can change in one click theme, accent, color, or you can also change the background color, header background color. Okay, it will be stay and background color will be changed in the header. Then you have a theme font. You can choose other theme font for your website. You have a multiple option like custom font file. If you have a already custom font file, then you have to upload it here. If you wanna go with Adobe or Google font style, you can enable these options. Just to enable this one, then downside select the style, like you wanna go with the light one, normal, medium. You can choose the font for your website. Even for the general option, in the general you can choose font for the body font, sign in button font, search button font, like mobile menu for the mobile section, mobile menu font that will be show in that particular font. Like pages, in the pages, for example, if I go to any other page and their title, you can change the font for the h1 tags, h2, h3. Okay, then we have a custom code option. Custom code option, sometime you need to put a css code somewhere on your website. This will allow you to provide custom code. For example, sometime you verify your website with a third party tool, then mostly they ask you to put this css code under the header somewhere, or in the body. Then you can select the custom css option, custom body class, advanced css, then java, same here, custom javascript, custom html. Click on that, provide that code. Then we have a analytics and js code. For the Google Analytics, Google Analytics give you code to verify, then you have to provide that one here. Okay, if they ask you to provide the code in the header, uh, not in the body, if the body, after the body, then you can paste that code downside. If the footer, then you have to provide here. Sometimes the third tool, they say please paste this JavaScript code into your website after header, then you have to paste it here upper side. This is the header section to paste the code. Social and APIs. Social share, you can choose what social share option you want to enable. Okay, if I click any post, and we have here share, we have a Facebook, X, Pinterest, WhatsApp. Only these are enabled for. If you want to enable, so people will able to share on LinkedIn also, Reddit. You can select multiple options, allow them. Even they can print or email your post. Okay, or you can enable this option, copy URL. So copy URL, they will be able to copy the URL of particular post. Then we have a Google CAPTCHA. If you want to enable Google CAPTCHA on the website, if your website has login register model or comment system, you can enable Google reCAPTCHA to avoid the spamming. Okay, for example, you see here in my comment section 200 comments, all are scams. So what I do, I will enable Google reCAPTCHA v3 and provide. I will go to site key, I small here, click here, click on that. It will generate your Google reCAPTCHA keys, which is important to provide here to enable CAPTCHA on your website, which is nice option to avoid spamming. Then we have a social login. You can enable social login if you have a sign in website, and you are using newspaper theme, but this will allow people to log in on your website with the Facebook, but you have to provide the app ID. Okay, then you can click here, guide, upper side, same Facebook account, Instagram, a lot option they provide, YouTube API keys to enable all the videos on your blog. Okay, CPT and taxonomy, if you wanna enable or disable, breadcrumbs, category, spot taxonomy, you have a lot of option. If you not have any idea about this, you can leave this as a default. I will recommend this. Import and export section. Import and export, you can export or import the website theme setting. We just done the settings one time, right? Then you can export the theme setting, so next time if you work on your other website and you want a same setting there, you can easily apply this one. Then you have to provide this code. This time we copy this code and keep somewhere in. When you create other website or somewhere, then you have to paste it here downside, import theme setting. To import same code, provide downside after that and click save setting. That's all. Mobile theme, actually a lot of people ask me to make a video for the mobile theme. Actually you have a option. Let me first go to plugin option in the newspaper, and you will see here tag dip mobile theme, official AMP for WP. If you wanna enable the fast theme for the mobile, separate theme for the mobile unit, then you can choose this option. Along with that you can choose AMP also. Okay, but if your website sometime your website design is different but on the mobile showing different, then you can solution is to deactivate this one, both. Okay, if you want a same design as desktop on the mobile phone also, I will recommend deactivate it if you not have a experience about this. But in next video I will make a complete tutorial about mobile theme, how to make it done with a nice setting and the template setting also. Okay, and we will go other plugin also. Let me go to theme panel. So we complete theme panel in this video. Okay, then we have a multi-purpose. In multi-purpose, to choose button style. Okay, example, if I have a button here anywhere on the website, this will change the style of the button. Same font setting for the title, description, button, again same options. Okay, if you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can leave comment. I will definitely reply you there. But if you want me to build newspaper for your business, and if you want to start your news agency, or if you want to start blog with professional setup, you can contact me via email. I will definitely reply you there, and you can, then I will provide you my personal WhatsApp number to contact me. Okay, so in next tutorial we will follow some other tutorial and settings. So I hope you like this video. Please hit a like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So in next tutorial when I upload next tutorial, so you will be notified immediately. Thank you so much.